Welcome back. It's time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Donald Trump calls the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to strike down his sweeping tariffs deeply disappointing as he announces a new 10% levy on global imports. With a 6-3 majority, the court ruled Trump exceeded his authority when he imposed tariffs via a law reserved for national emergencies. They say he needs congressional approval to impose taxes on imports. As expected, Trump says he will attempt to reimpose tariffs, but he's yet to spell out the details. The court's ruling applies to Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs, but not individual tariffs he imposed on specific countries or products. And the government is considering introducing legislation to remove Andrew Mountbatten Windsor from the line of royal succession. Defense Minister Luke Pollard says the move, which would prevent Andrew from ever becoming king, was the right thing to do, regardless of the outcome of the police investigation. Currently, Andrew, the king's brother, remains 8th in line to the throne despite being stripped of his titles, including Prince, last October amid pressure over his ties to pedophile financier Jeffrey Epstein. On Thursday evening, Andrew was released on the investigation 11 hours after his arrest on suspicion of misconduct in public office. He has consistently and strenuously denied any wrongdoing. And that's a roundup of some of the major stories around the world. I'm Kirk Wright.